In this video, we'll show you how to use GPSSample as the supervisor of a study. As the supervisor, you have a critical role in setting up enumerators and data collectors. You have several important tasks to oversee throughout the day. First, import the study configuration from your admin. You can choose how to import the configuration either by using the QR code method or the file system method. The QR code can only be used when you are in the same place as the admin. You need Wi-Fi to be turned on, but you don't need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you are in different locations, use the file system method. First, download the configuration that your admin sent through email, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. Next, go to the GPSSample app. Select the button to import the configuration and enter the encryption password provided by the admin. Select File System. Then find the file in the Downloads folder. Now you have the configuration. Next, you can supervise the enumeration. To send the configuration to the enumerator, select Export Configuration. Since you are in the same place as the enumerator, use the QR code transfer method. The enumerator scans the QR code. Do not press Done until the enumerator has received the configuration. At the end of enumeration, meet with the enumerator to collect their data and check whether any areas were missed. Go to the main supervisor screen and select Import Configuration. Then import the data using either the QR code or the file system method. Verify that you have the same summary stats as the enumerator. Also, check the map to see if all areas have been covered. Red houses are incomplete and are not eligible for sampling in the app. Depending on your protocol, the enumerator may need to revisit the red houses before you generate the sample. A sample can only be generated once for each cluster. To do this, at the main screen, tap on the specific cluster. Next, select Survey. Select Generate Sample. And then Save. Now you can assign teams and supervise the data collection. Tap on the plus icon to create and assign a team to the sample. Give the team a unique name. Then tap on the pencil icon and draw the desired area. Save when you're done. To pass the sampled household list to the enumerator or data collector, tap on the up transfer arrow. Select the QR code method. If during enumeration, the boundary has an overlapping area or intersecting lines, follow these steps to correct this. Tap the cluster. Then tap Survey. Tap the three dots in the upper right of the screen and select Update Boundary. Now it's possible to draw a team. After the team returns from conducting surveys, sync their data back to your phone. To do this, go to the main supervisor screen, select Import Field Data, and use the QR code to import the data. Review the data to make sure that all the households were surveyed. Purple houses were surveyed, orange houses require a revisit, and blue houses have never been visited. At the end of each day, send the data to the admin. To do this, start at the main screen and select Export Configuration. Here, select the file system method. You can now supervise teams to enumerate and perform household surveys using GPSSample.